Hello and thank you for joining me today. My name is Heather Forgan and my website is www.stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Scotland. Today I have a little masculine project for you. This one that I've already made contains a travel size shower gel, and so today we'll be making the same box with a slightly different paper for this little shampoo instead. It's a quick and easy project, so hopefully shouldn't take us too long to do. I've already done some of the preparation in advance. So this is a piece of grey granite cardstock which measures 6.5 inches by 3 inches, and I've scored on the long side at 1.5, 3, 4.5 and 6 inches, and have scored on the short side at 1.5. So what we're doing is actually making a little tray for the product to sit inside. I'll just quickly burnish these score lines properly with my bone folder. And then cut up the score lines to the horizontal line right along the bottom. And I'll just do a little wedge there to take that piece out there. Simply want to add some glue to this part and fold that over to join up. There we are. Now with the join at the back, I would then fold in the sides. I'll add a little bit of glue there, and I'll fold the back forward. And finally that piece to the front there. Just use my bone folder to make sure that all the panels at the bottom are stuck together. So that's our little tray, and the shampoo fits in there quite nicely. I've cut another piece of designer series paper from the same pack, which is the In Good Taste designer series paper, and this piece measures 6 3/4 inch by 5 inches. Now we've got the joiner for box at the back, so we really want to have the joiner for paper at the back there too. I'm not going to score the lines because I don't want the scoring up there. I just want to kind of fold it in place. So to start off, I'll add some glue halfway across there and line up the bottom of the page with the bottom of the box, and just to make sure that that hasn't got any air bubbles in the glue, just press down on that there. Then fold round the next section, add some more glue, put that in place, just work our way around the bottom of the box. Now you'll probably notice that this, if you watch my last video with my tea bag holders, that this designer series paper is the same paper pack that I used for that project as well. So you can kind of gather that I quite like this one. It gets a little bit more difficult to press. Now, we want to add glue to the remaining part of the box. We also want to add a little bead of glue along that edge and along that edge and that one. So there will be an overlap, put a little bit there as well. Now I've obviously gone off a little bit when I've been going around there, and I've got glue all over my fingers again. And I just want to make sure that we line up as close as possible to the top there. Not done the best job there ever, but you can take your time and make sure that you've got that sorted. Okay, so that's the construction. Seam at the back. I'll just pop that in the little box. It will fit. There we go. I managed to get glue there. And we simply want to pinch it along the top. And we've got that nice shape there. Now I am going to use a little clip just to keep that closed. And this isn't a Stampin' Up product, but is one that I love using, my crocodile. It's not such an issue with this project, but it will go through layers and layers of card, so it's very strong. Love it. Now I have already stamped the sentiment, which comes from A Good Man, Relax Your Way, and I used Smoky Slate ink just to stamp that onto a piece of Whisper White card that is 3/4 of an inch wide and approximately 3.5 inches long. I am going to add that to the ribbon just as a tag, but I am going to use this lovely label Pick a Punch, and this time I've made sure that I've got it straight. And I'm going to use the crocodile again, but just this smaller size hole, and then we can thread that onto the ribbon. The ribbon I'm using is the crinkled seam binding ribbon, and I just want to put it through here. Now my fingers are sticky, so it'll probably take forever to tie a bow. because I'm not the greatest at tying bows the best of times, but with sticky fingers it's even worse. However, this ribbon is fabulous in that it doesn't matter how many times you tie it because it's already crinkled, and you don't have to have a perfect bow because, well, it's crinkled ribbon. It's not going to be perfect. This is my ideal ribbon. So I'm going to tie another knot in there just to keep that like that. I've got way too much ribbon here. Cut that off. There we are. Nice and easy. Get rid of that now, and I can move that over and just make sure that my loops are roughly the same. And chop off that excess on that side there. And there we have it. Nice and easy, quick and simple, and just quite an attractive little gift for the man in your life. I hope you've enjoyed this project. All of the products I've used and the dimensions are in my blog, and I'll put a link in the description below for you. Thank you very much. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love it if you did, and click on the little bell so that you get notifications the next time I post a video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.